Law 7 states, educators must know what concepts and vocabularies the student is struggling with and why they are struggling to retain them. The main obstacle to overcome is the AF letter grade format. This is the paradox of the letter grade system. Using the standard teaching model and the AF letter grade system, the teacher may look in the grade book and determine that a student scored 84% average on the last 4 evaluations, which relates to a B- grade for the quarter. And everyone is happy. A B-, not bad. Upon closer scrutiny, we discover we don't know what 16% of the concepts and vocabulary the student does not know, or why the student doesn't know them, or what percentage the student just guessed at and happened to guess the correct answer. And what about all the information that was covered in class and not on the test? How are these missing prerequisite skills going to affect the retention of next week's presentation? Now, let us factor into this B- the various forms of teacher tricks that a future employer will find out the hard way. Grading on the curve, grade inflation for those students, extra credit and extra time, and the fact that most of the test formats are true and false, 50% of guessing the correct answer, multiple choice, 25% chance of guessing the correct answer, or an answer bank where the correct answers are posted at the top. Just pick one out. The student may get credit for the correct answers without knowing why or if the answer is correct. Using the letter grade system allows everyone to assume that some skills are retained and some skills are not retained without knowing what is or is not retained or for how long they will be retained, i.e., the letter grade system gives no valid data for future employers. But the letter grade system remains the holy grail, gold standard for education, because parents, students, and educators give a value to an abstract symbol that really gives no valid data and transfer that presumed value to each other in an inclusive Venn diagram. For the educator, the students, and the parents to feel good. They feel good about not knowing what it is they don't know or why they don't know it or how long they will retain those concepts. The Educational Trinity Manifesto will replace the letter grade system with a competency-based skill attainment system. This will allow everyone to know the specific skills that the student has retained and are available for the next level of critical thinking and problem-solving exercises. The 6th law of mutable law of education states, educators must ensure the core skills are mastered at each level, as they are the prerequisite foundation for the next level of learning. I believe this means they need to know what concepts and vocabulary they want the students to know. They need to know why that information is important to know and how long they want them to retain that information. And how many repetitions is it going to take for them to retain it?